If you're anything like most people that work in sales, you probably have a love-hate relationship with this thing, the phone. Hopefully you still have a relationship and you haven't given up altogether. Well, in any case, I'm here to be your therapist. I'm here to be your counselor. I'm here to get you to fall in love with the phone and, more importantly, making cold calls again. In case we haven't met before, hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It is the most effective sales training in the world, and I want to sit down with you right now. I want to change your perspective. I want to give you some ideas. I'm going to show you the world's greatest recipe for making cold calls. Get ready to fall in love with making phone calls again. And if you get any use out of this video, please give it a like. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm here for you. I love you. Whatever questions you have, just put them in the comments below. Let's get real and talk about the phones. First off, before I show you what to do, let me tell you the mistakes that most of us make. And if you're making these mistakes right now, it's okay. There's a lot of misinformation out there. There's a lot of bad sales training out there. Some of it doesn't even cover how to reach out to people, how to connect, how to make those calls. So what are the mistakes we make? Mistake number one, we don't do it. We've given up. I tried that. That's amateur hours. That's for rookies. I've been in the industry for 10 years. I don't make cold calls anymore. If you want to be a top performer, it's your duty to get out there and introduce yourself to new prospective clients. You should be on a regular basis making touches, reaching out to people. Now I'm going to show you a more skillful way. Here's the second mistake that we make. First mistake, we don't make the call. Second mistake is when the person answers, we try to go into some mini sales pitch. We try to explain to them everything. We try and book a demo or schedule an appointment or set some next step. Or worse, qualify this person when they've answered the phone cold. We don't want to do that. I'm going to show you a much more skillful way. So let's get you falling in love with the phone all over again. I'm going to give you a very simple formula. Grab a pen, grab a piece of paper, write this down, put this into practice. You're going to actually love making cold calls again, and you're going to set a lot more appointments, and you're going to make a lot more money. All right, so there's some simple steps here. Step number one, when you call that person and they answer, I want you to introduce yourself, and I want you to let them know your title and how you're connected. It sounds like this. Let's say I'm calling Jeff Suskin, the president of Dining Out Magazine. Okay, I've got Jeff's direct number. Let's say I'm connected with Jeff on LinkedIn. I call the number, Jeff answers. This is what I want you to say. Notice I'm not saying, is this Jeff? Notice I'm not verifying Jeff's identity. I call Jeff, ring, ring, ring. Jeff answers, hello. Hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. So what I'm doing is I'm letting them know who I am, what I do, and how we're connected. Okay? So step number one, let them know who you are. Step number two, let them know what you do. And step number three, how you're connected. You're going to say all of that in one sentence that sounds like this. Hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Or maybe Jeff and I both attended the NADA conference in Dallas. Hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. We both attended the NADA conference in Dallas. And then I'm pausing, okay? The next big step there is you need to pause and allow that person to respond. Let's go back to the LinkedIn example. When I say, hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, you and I are connected on LinkedIn, I've automatically established all of this credibility, okay? This is not a cold call. I've let them know who I am and how we're connected. But the key here is you need to pause. So I pause. Hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, you and I are connected on LinkedIn, and then I wait. Jeff 97% of the time is going to go, okay, yeah, hey Matt, how's it going? Hey Matt, how can I help you? Hey, going great. Wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. So you're letting them know why you personally wanted to call. Notice how I'm sounding very important and I'm giving myself credibility. It's going great. I wanted to reach out to you personally. Okay, I'm not somebody that works in a call center is the thing I want to convey. I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. And then I'm going to pause again for a second. And then I'm going to say, Do you mind if I send you a link to Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? So it sounds like this. It's going great. It's going great. I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Do you mind if I send you a link to Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? This is critical. This is vital in your cold calling. Do you see what I'm doing? I'm establishing credibility. I'm establishing how we're connected. And then I'm letting them know I'm literally, this is jujitsu, okay? All of this anxiety is going to start to build because they're going to go, this is a sales call. I am immediately relieving all of that pressure, all of that anxiety by saying, Jeff, I'm going to let you get off the phone right now. I am not trying to sell them anything on this first call. Do you mind if I send you a link to Easton University so you can take a look when you've got some time? Almost 100% of the time, they're all going to say the same thing. Absolutely, yeah, that would be great. Why? Because they want to get off the phone. Perfect, Jeff. What's the best email for you? It's jsuskin@diningoutmagazine.com. Thank you so much for taking my call. I'll send you something right now. And what that is going to do is allow you to now send them something in the next call that you make. And we can talk about that if you get on Easton University, what the sequence of events is. But the next call is now a warm call, and it's a follow-up to see if they had an opportunity to look at the information you sent them. You have to remember this. Your job of cold calling is to establish interest and make a connection. It is not to sell them on that call. That is stuff that's left over from that old school sales training where you're designed to just kind of force your way in. I want you to be cool, calm, collected, and set a reasonable expectation for that call that you're going to send them something to take a look at, and then you're going to put them right into your sustainable pipeline that we teach you to manage, and you're going to follow up with them in a next step. Being successful in sales is not about forcing your way into an account. It's about having a very simple, very straightforward, very low pressure process that everybody goes through. You say the same thing on the first call, you set the next call, then you set an appointment, and you work them through that sale. So here's how I want you to make phone calls. Hey Jeff, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Yeah. Hey Matt, how's it going? It's going great, going great. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Do you mind if I send you a link to Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? Yeah, sure. What's the best email for you, Jeff? It's jsuskin@diningoutmagazine.com. Awesome, I'll send you something right now. Thanks for taking my call. And that is how you make a cold call. My name's Matt Easton, again, founder of Easton University. I would love it. There's a link below to Easton University. Check out our plans, check out our programs. We are here for you. We've got on-demand training, and I literally work with people just like you. I work with all of our students every week on live calls. Our corporate accounts, we do private coaching sessions with them. If you want to make your life easier, if you want to get more done and have more fun in sales, check this out. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, Step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.